if A is a set, X says that X belongs to natural numbers and X is less than or equal to 5, and B, X says that X belongs to natural numbers and X is a set of factors of 10, then find the value of n of A intersection B. So here A, natural numbers up to 5, like less than or equal to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and B, factors of 10, like factors of 10, 1, 2, 5, 10. So once we'll check whether we got all the factors or not. How to check? First find the prime factors. 2 times 5, so 2 into 5, 2 power 1, 5 power 1. For the powers exponents, add 1, so it will become 2 and this will be 2. 2 into 2, 4. So total we need to get 4 factors and we got 4 factors. So here now we need to find A intersection B. A intersection B. So A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Intersection B is 1, 2, 5, 10. So intersection is nothing but the common elements in both. So here it is like 1, 2, and 5. So the common elements in both the sets are like here 1, 2, 5. So A intersection B is 1, 2, 5. But they are asking number of elements in A intersection B. Cardinal number. Cardinal number is nothing but number of elements. In here it is A intersection B. So the answer is 3 because we have 3 elements 1, 2 and 5.